Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be learning how to install some of the programs required to use MySQL, as well as some we're just going to be using in this lesson. The first two we're going to install are MySQL itself and PHPMyAdmin. Fortunately, we can get both of these in a single package called XAMPP. If you go to the link provided, you will come to this page. And we could sign in with Facebook or Google, but I choose to just use the alternative download, which will take you to this page. You'll quickly have a pop-up which will ask you to save a file. Click Save. We could watch their installation video, but I'll explain everything you need. Now, as you see, this is downloading. I'm going to cut a little bit out here to save some time. Now that it's all downloaded, we just have to open the file, and it'll ask us to run it. You may get a little pop-up that warns about possible slowing down of the installation due to an antivirus, but it doesn't really have much of an effect, so just click Yes. Then you will click Next. And in here, we don't really need most of these things. We're just looking for MySQL, so we're going to uncheck all of these. Remember, we also want to get PHPMyAdmin. We're going to click Next. And you can select the installation folder. By default, it's just XAMPP. Don't have to click to learn anything more, so let's uncheck that. Now it's ready to install. Unpackaging. And once again, I'm going to cut to the end to save you some time. Once that's loaded, it'll take you to the Finish page. And yes, we're going to go ahead and launch the control panel. It'll ask us to choose our language. And then you're going to see this easy to navigate panel. Let's go ahead and start Apache and MySQL. That's it. We actually have the prep work for a database already. And not only that, because we installed PHPMyAdmin, we have a way to see it. To open PHPMyAdmin, simply go back to your browser and type localhost PHPMyAdmin. That'll bring you up to an interface where you can see that we now have MySQL installed and some test databases that come default on the system. We're not going to go into actually using this just yet, since this is just an installation video. We'll move on to the next thing. If you're not using Windows, then the installation instructions provided already may not tell you all you need to know. For XAMPP, if you're on a Mac, you can use the download location I provided in Figure 1. After downloading, just open the downloaded file. It should be named the same as I listed here. Drag and drop the XAMPP folder into your Applications folder. That should complete installation. And then, to start XAMPP, simply open the XAMPP control by going to /applications/XAMPP/XAMPP in your control finder. And from there, you can start Apache and MySQL. If you're on Linux, then you will need to use this location for download. After downloading, you're going to need to change your permissions on the file so that it can be executed. I've provided the command to do that here in Figure 2a. After that, run the installer. The command for that is in 3a. Once it's running, you can just follow the prompts to install. It should be just like the Windows version. After installation, to start XAMPP, enter sudo /opt/lamp/lamp start. That'll load everything and should get you back where we were in the video. Speaking of videos, that's it for this one. We'll continue our installation with SQL Workbench in the next video.